All right, everybody. So we have a job. We're going to go over here to Ohio, and we're going to pick up some palleted coils, and then that's going over to Denver, and not Denver, Colorado, Denver, North Carolina, to Husky. And he's get to go have some fun tomorrow, getting into that door they want you to go into. Heck yeah. Oh, we are here at Fulton again. We like coming to Fulton. They're pretty quick. They'll get you loaded and get secured up, and we'll get it tarped. It's not going to rain, so we might be able to pull out and tarp out in the backyard. What's up, man?
Hey, do y'all know what they're saying? They said I'm getting 3 stand-up pulls and a skidded. Are their stand-up pulls going to be the slitted ones, or are they going to be like a slitted stand-up pull? He said you're getting 1 skidded? 1 skidded and 3 stand-up.
Okay, so you're gonna have slitted stand-up coils going, probably shotgun.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Well, I'll pull stuff out just in case.
Yeah, that's usually how they do it.
Thinking like a Jeffersonville to Chinatown.
No. No. Usually here we get that mixed load.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you going?
Denver.
Oh, you're going to Husky?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ever been there?
Once.
Yeah. All right, people. So when you're out on a truck, you're gonna need a couple of things. One of the things that I carry with me are zip ties. Let's see if I can get this zip tie to go through there. It may be too fat. For a temporary fix, you can't beat a zip tie. Looks like somebody already had a zip tie in it. I need something to poke that with. We'll see. Oh. Look, we got the Veterans Tribute Truck. All right. For those of you who haven't seen this, so for veterans, you can apply to drive this truck. How long you get the truck? 6 months?
I'm sorry, what?
How long do you get the truck? 6 months?
A year.
A year? You get it for a year? That's pretty good. I was told it was 6 months, man. That's a lot of changing over.
Well, I mean, they just called me up one day and said, "You in the Marine Corps, you want to drive a truck?" And I'm like, "Sure."
Sure. Awesome.
And you know, it's got its perks. I mean, they pay you a little extra money to drive it.
Do they?
And then, like when they said they hadn't done it the last 2 years because of COVID, but
yeah,
a lot of times they'll go to the truck driving schools,
yeah,
big Veterans Day things.
Yeah.
And they pay you
to go. Nice.
I mean, so you don't lose money.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's you get some looks.
Yeah, I bet.
I mean, you may not want this on there, but
that's fine.
I had everything from thumbs up to a woman pulling her shirt up and showing me her hooters. So it's different.
Yeah, I bet.
But
yeah.
I mean, to me, it's an honor to drive it. So.
Yeah, I know. I put in, when I first started driving for Maverick, was about 2.5 years. Well, it was a little over 2.5 years ago now. I put in to get my, my sticker on my truck, for the Navy, and it just never happened. So I was like, oh well, screw it.
I never, of course, I can order my DD242, but
yeah,
I never did.
Yeah.
And Mr. Coffey called me and said, weren't you in the Marine Corps? I said, yes.
Yeah.
So, I mean, because I never had the sticker put on mine. It was just,
right.
To start with, I didn't want to stay too long in the shop for them to do it. I was wanting to roll.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, they always make them look real good, man. How you doing?
What's up, man?
Doing all right?
Oh,
yeah, doing pretty good. Yeah, I know, right? Huh?
Don't like the interior.
Yeah.
It's got the table in the back.
Oh, really?
Which, my butt's built real low to the ground.
Yeah, mine
So
too.
I can sit on the bed, my feet dangle because it's so higher up.
Yeah.
And you lose all that storage space. That's the only thing I don't like about it.
Oh wow.
Oh wait, so
Yeah.
the regular ones don't, the regular cabs don't have the table on?
No.
You raise the bed up
Yeah.
All that storage.
and it's all
It's all storage.
Oh, I like that.
Except for the 22s, they've started putting a subwoofer under there, and it takes up most of the room.
Well, somebody told me that.
Yep.
I mean, this is the 22, but it ain't
Yeah,
got no
it ain't got the sub in it. Yeah, the 22 I had before I went to training, it had a subwoofer back there. You can't hear it. I don't know if it had a volume just for the subwoofer or whatever. I could never hear the thing. It just took up room underneath the bed.
Why would they put a subwoofer in a big truck?
I don't know,
If
man.
you like me, you don't ever find a radio station that you can listen to for very long.
No.
I mean,
They changed
My-
so much.
Yeah, mine's audio books and podcast, and that's what I listen to most of the time.
Big podcast.
Yep, and that's what I listen to most of the time. But oh, she's a good looking truck there, man.
yeah, it is.
Good looking truck.
I have to wash it every week.
Yeah, yeah.
So, I mean, that's not a big deal.
Where are you from? You from Central Arkansas area?
I'm from Mississippi. right
Mississippi?
outside
Yeah. You got to go to a Blue Beacon every week.
I try to stop every week if I can.
Yeah.
Little Rock,
Yeah,
somewhere to wash it. But,
yeah.
I mean, they give me a little credit card and I can use it.
Oh yeah. Just get it.
Wash it every week. Like if it's my 15 days.
Yeah.
This week we washed it. 15 days wasn't up, so I use the credit card.
Yeah.
When we go to like a truck stop, they want me to park up in the paid parking where everybody.
Everybody can see it.
For that.
Oh really?
I mean, it's got its perks.
It's got its perks, doesn't it? That's awesome. Yeah. Yeah, I see quite a few truck companies doing that now. You know, they'll wrap it in something for military or whatever.
Well, they keep two on the road. There's two
Right.
off they're fixing to pull off.
Yeah.
I got one. They said there's another one. When it comes in, I think they're going to pull the other two because they've apparently been in the fleet. Well, Jay Rambo.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go ahead and go with it. Jay Rambo drove it. He's drove it original, and so that truck's what been 3, so this is probably 3-4 years old. So
Yeah.
he's probably gonna pull it off.
Yeah. Yeah. I know. I see him every now and then. Every now and then he's around.
I had to call him and I said, John, what do they expect out of me? And he said, ain't gonna affect your pay.
Yeah.
As far as driving it, you have to stop somewhere. He said, and he's the one who told me about the credit card. I said, I got a credit card. What do I use it for? And he said, truck washes and parking.
Paid parking. That's awesome. Yeah. Yeah, I like it, man. I came to Maverick. I went through their MDA, and got my CDL through them straight out of retail management for 16, 17 years, and I enjoy this job.
Oh, I love it.
I love it.
The only bad thing about this truck is, used to, if somebody called and said, hey, this truck did this, you can always say, oh, that wasn't me. I can't do that.
Yeah, you can't do that, man. It's nice talking to you.
Hey, good to meet you.
Yeah, too. You too.
Yeah, I told him it's going to be a big difference when he gets, because we've been hauling his lumber. I said, when you buy yourself, it's a lot different from hauling them big lumber trucks.
Yeah, it is. He's already folded one by himself. And they're a pain in the butt, aren't they, man? Yeah, they are. Pain in the rear end. Look at you folding that like a champ. Heck yeah.
Well, it's closer here, you don't have to drag this far.
Right there at the box and everything. Perfect. Dude, you're gonna be so ready. You just don't even know it yet. There you go. So when we get that preloaded trailer,
Yeah.
we're gonna have to put this one out of service until they can fix that hub oiler.
Yep.
And when we get up there and we get our paperwork, and I'll show you how to do all that stuff when we get to Charlotte Pike, we'll ask them where their out of service trailers need to be so we can get it in there. We can get it out of service. back here. Now see, look at me. I said I was gonna let him do it all this week, but I'm just a workaholic, man. I can't be out here watching him work. I gotta work too. Oh man, he got some mountain driving done today, city driving. We went through Charlotte, West Virginia. He got to see their Capitol building. He's got to go to states he's never been before. Which is awesome. You guys come out here and get you some.
Hey, how you doing,
Oh man, I got dirty.
You weren't supposed to do that.
You know what? I said at the first of the week you were gonna do all this by yourself, but I just can't. Dude, I just can't help it, man. I gotta help. But honestly, I think you get the gist of how the work goes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Y'all got it cranking.
Yep.
How us Mavericks
Get it done.
hung up on something over here.
How's that? Go ahead and pull it. I know, man. It gets tough, dude.
Chains on the inside, right?
Go ahead and put it on the very on the very outside. There you go. You guys got a pre-plan yet? So are we. Houston? We're going to Maumelle for Friday over in Arkansas.
Hell, I wish I had that because I'm going to get hung out.
Oh my Lord. I might have to put this one out of service. It's got a leaky hub oiler over there.
I got to stop by the house because he's eval Sunday.
Yeah, so is he.
Drop him off at the house and then go on to Texas.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh.
Hear that, Coach?
What's that?
Our bag, dude.
Yeah, that's our bags. They'll do that every time you get a load off of you. Like you've been doing this for a year.
You talking real well.
And then the first week you're out, you forget every bit of it. Then you'll do something, you'll go like, oh yeah, I know how to do that.
That's what it was.
Man, I know how to do that. Once you get all those up there, remember to hook them in. Yeah, there you go. Good job.